Imagine being able to breathe the same air as a dinosaur. Sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to groundbreaking research using oxygen trapped in ancient dinosaur teeth, scientists have managed to reconstruct the atmosphere of millions of years ago, offering us an unprecedented glimpse into Earth's prehistoric environment. This isn't just about curiosity. It's about understanding how our planet's climate has evolved over time and what that means for life today. And here's the kicker. This discovery might even spark debates about how modern climate change compares to ancient shifts in Earth's atmosphere. Published on August the 4th in the prestigious journal PNAS, the study reveals how fossilized dinosaur teeth can act as time capsules that preserve the isotopic signatures of oxygen from their era. These isotopes, locked within the enamel of teeth, provide a detailed record of atmospheric conditions during the Mesozoic era, the so-called Age of Reptiles, which spanned approximately 252 to 66 million years ago. The researchers focused specifically on analyzing triple oxygen isotopes, oxygen-16, oxygen-17, and oxygen-18, to unlock secrets about greenhouse gas concentrations and plant activity from that time. But here's where it gets controversial. The findings suggest that carbon dioxide, CO2, levels back then were far higher than they are today. During the late Jurassic period, around 145 million years ago, CO2 concentrations reached about 1,200 parts per million, ppm. By the late Cretaceous period, roughly 145 to 66 million years ago, they had dropped slightly, but still hovered around 750 ppm. Compare that to today's atmospheric CO2 levels, which sit at around 430 ppm, and are climbing steadily due to human activities. So what does this mean for our current climate crisis? Could we be heading toward a future that mirrors the Mesozoic? The researchers didn't stop at CO2 levels. They also examined gross primary productivity, GPP, a measure of how much carbon plants absorb during photosynthesis. Their analysis indicates that plant activity during the Mesozoic was likely 20 to 120% higher than it is today. This makes sense when you consider the lush, verdant landscapes that dominated the era, teeming with massive vegetation, capable of supporting colossal herbivores like sauropods. It's fascinating to think about how these ecosystems thrived under such different atmospheric conditions. One of the most intriguing aspects of this research lies in the role of oxygen-17 anomalies. These rare isotopic signatures fluctuate based on atmospheric CO2 levels and plant activity, allowing scientists to estimate both greenhouse gas concentrations and global plant productivity. For example, some dinosaur teeth, including those of iconic species like Tyrannosaurus rex and certain sauropods, showed elevated oxygen-17 anomalies. Greek reporter highlighted that these anomalies may reflect short-term spikes in CO2 levels, potentially driven by intense volcanic activity during the Mesozoic. So, how did the team gather their data? The dinosaur teeth used in the study came from museum collections across Europe and North America. Institutions such as the Soria Museum Athol in Switzerland, the Naturkunde Museum Berlin in Germany, and Canada's Tyrrell Museum contributed specimens for analysis. Paleontologists Martin Sander and Emmanuel Chop played crucial roles by providing detailed insights into sauropod taxonomy, body mass, and stratigraphy, helping contextualize the isotopic data within broader paleontological frameworks. This research opens up exciting possibilities for understanding not only Earth's distant past, but also its potential future. By reconstructing Mesozoic paleo-PCO2 levels up to 2.5 to 4 times higher than pre-industrial values, the authors highlight the dynamic interplay between greenhouse gases, plant life, and climate stability. Yet this raises thought-provoking questions. Are we witnessing a reversal of sorts, where human-induced changes are pushing Earth back toward conditions reminiscent of the Mesozoic? Or is there something fundamentally different about today's climate trajectory? What do you think? Do these findings resonate with your understanding of climate history? Or do you see room for alternative interpretations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective.